Hello to all traders and welcome to another Market Insights video. This video has been brought to you once again by Orbex. So like we usually do on a Monday, we kick off the week looking at oil and gold. Oil has been rallying most interestingly since last Wednesday when the EIA said that they were missing 500,000 barrels worth of inventories, and this was actually leaving them 8% under the average that they are usually on. Also, it's the time of the US driving season. This is basically when most of the northern hemisphere hits the summer season and demand for gasoline is at a premium, so it's at quite a big peak at the moment. So this is when we're looking at a lot more demand, but will there be the supply as well? So this is why we're seeing such a big lift in oil in the last few days as well. So let's see what the strong demand is going into the next few months. Also with gold, looking at the US dollar fading slightly in the last few sessions. We've seen the US index pull back quite significantly from the 2-decade high that we have seen it peak at. So we'll see if that's going to have any implications on oil and gold going into the week. So as you can see from the last time we looked at oil, we're seeing this kind of ascending channel, but more interestingly enough, I'll just zoom in for better clarification. This is when the EIA did say that they were down 500,000 barrels. We've seen a spike up, plus the US driving season is underway. As I said, it's the Northern Hemisphere's way of saying that there's going to be a lot more demand for the black gold in particular. So at the moment, we are looking that there will be a slight correction though. We're looking that it won't probably reach the peak of this ascending channel. Prices will start fading slightly, and then we could see another move to the upside back to where this channel will start stretching. If I just stretch it a little bit extra. This is where we're looking to see a slight correction and then a move to the upside again. But will we get back to these recent peaks that we saw during the beginning of the invasion of Russia into Ukraine? Most probably not anytime soon. Obviously this disappointing invasion is still going on, but obviously other factors are moving oil at the moment. So just keep an eye on the headlines going into the rest of the week, especially as we look into the intraday outlook as well. So looking a little bit more closer to home, we are now seeing, like I said, the reason why we're seeing a slight correction is we have seen this bearish divergence on the RSI coming lower here. And as you can see, clear divergence there picking up. So we are looking like we will start seeing a move to the downside and then a possible move back up. So depending with the Ichimoku cloud indicator, which is the indicator I usually use for my exit and entry points and also support and resistance, I'm looking that the prices will start coming down to roughly about $112, possibly $111, and then start moving higher on those levels. So for me, I'll be keeping an eye on what these levels can bring me and if they're going to actually make me any profits as well. So we'll see in the next few trading days what will come of that. Gold, on the other hand, we've seen that the US dollar has taken a slight dive because the euro dollar has kind of started picking up now to the 107 handle. The US index has started also moving to the downside. So now we're seeing a little bit of a pickup in gold, not really moving in tandem anymore with gold and the dollar. Usually they do have strong divergences, the gold and the dollar, but in recent weeks they have actually been moving in tandem. However, at the moment we are seeing now a slight pickup. So again, not too much in the way of divergences, just waiting to see what the next move in the market will be for gold. It has been very, very volatile, very, very temperamental, and now we're seeing that a lot of traders are looking to see where the next move is for the yellow metal. Will we see another pickup to this small consolidation here? Will we see another pickup to the lower border of the Ichimoku cloud, roughly about the 1900 handle, or will prices be weighed below that psychological level? We'll have to wait and see the next few sessions. There's lots of news coming out. Obviously we've got the NFP figures coming out on Friday. This will give us a good indication of where the American dollar will go, and in essence where gold is going to probably traject. So as I said, a slight consolidation at the moment, but price is staying above the Ichimoku cloud. So we are in a slight bull market. We'll see in the next few trading sessions if we do get any divergences on the RSI, and what would that mean for gold as well. So oil, as I said, in a strong rally at the moment, so keep an eye on that to see when there will be a correction, because we're pretty sure there will be. Just how deep the correction will be, we'll have to wait and see, and then we'll see for another upside move in the meantime as well. So that's all from today's video. Thank you once again for joining me. Any comments or queries, please feel free to add them to the YouTube post, and we'll speak again tomorrow. Bye for now.